It's Jose Quintana on for his 32nd start. He's going after his 9th win. His ERA 3.49. It's been a big year for him. Almost 3-to-1 strikeout to walk ratio, which is very good. They're way back.
He gone.
I threw inside a lot.
He gone.
Half lead over the Rangers.
He gone. Here and they split them. So this is going to be 9 in a row retired by our Quintana, and he leads it 2-0. He gone.
Double play ground ball over to second for 1, back to first, a double play and out of the inning.
And that changeup has popped up right side. And that a quick 1, 2, 3, 6 for Quintana. That's 12 in a row. Got him. He knew it. He gone. 2-game set with a try.
Yes, indeed.
He
See
gone.
you later.
Got a shot. Yeah. Nice peg. Another outstanding performance, Stoney.
He did just a terrific job. He gave up the 5 hits, 2 runs to this point. His responsibility is the man at first, and he will depart.